guys, come on in. This is our 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. Over here, we have our dining area. So it's a round table with 4 chairs, and then it connects to our living space with a giant TV, coffee table, and a couch. I don't know how it works, but there's a button, and the couch is electric, and it reclines back and the headpiece as well. Over here is our kitchen area. Our refrigerator has self-made ice and a little spout for water. Then we have a toaster oven / air fryer above our dishwasher. Sink, lots of cabinetry space, a coffee maker, and then our microwave above our gas stove and oven. Then this is our island. We're renting this fully furnished, and you can take it with all the kitchenware, cutlery, dishes and plates, or without it. Over here we have our pantry with lots of shelf space, and then there's a timer light so that if you close it and leave it, it will turn off on its own. Then this leads into our bedroom spaces. So we have a common bathroom through that door. There's a washer and dryer built in bedroom number 1, our 2nd bedroom, and our master is down that way. This is the common bathroom. There's a sink, toilet, and a stand-in shower with space to store toilet paper and paper towels and everything over here. There's a hair dryer mounted to the wall, and there's a timer for the fan, and then this light switch is motion detector once it's on. This is our 1st bedroom. There's a TV and some storage space there with a desk if you want to do some work. All of our beds are queen size, and if you walk up to this, the light comes on automatically. You can change it if you don't want it. It's a setting. And there's plugs for USB and Type-C, which is my favorite thing ever because it's so convenient, and wireless charging. Then there's a timer light again for the closet that is mirrored. This is bedroom number 2. There's a mirrored closet. The bedside tables are the same as in the 1st bedroom. Space for clothes, and a desk to do some work at, and a TV. Behind these drawers, there is a washer and a dryer with storage space up top for your detergent. This light is also on a timer. And then through this door is the master bedroom. Again, a queen size bed. The curtains are all blackout curtains. And there's a walk-in closet for the master with lots of space to hang things, shelves, and there's an iron and an ironing board. This TV stand is my favorite because it has a fireplace with lighting underneath, and is this button? Ooh, you can change the color. And then above it is our gigantinormous TV. Then through this door is the bathroom that's attached to the master. So the same for the switch. Push the button and the light turns on. There's 2 sinks in here with lots of space underneath to store things. Toilet with cabinetry above it, and then a full shower with a tub. Thanks for coming with me on a house tour. If you want to book this unit, we are on Airbnb. You can message us there, you can comment, and of course we're on the MLS. Bye!